Hi guys, you're welcome back to this step-by-step guide on how you can deposit SUI into your OKX wallet from your Bybit account. I'm going to show you guys how you can be able to deposit your SUI crypto from your Bybit account into your OKX wallet, and it's very easy. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And also, if this video is helpful to you, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. So guys, let's get started. So guys, now the first step you have to take now is to go over to the withdraw section, and for you to do that, you have to tap on where it is written assets. But guys, before I go ahead now to tap on assets, there is something important you need to know. You must first of all have SUI in your Bybit account. So if you don't have SUI in your Bybit account, you don't need to bother yourself. I've already made a dedicated video on how you can buy SUI directly from your Bybit account. So you can watch that video. What you have to do is that after you're done watching this video, just go over to the description of this video. I'm going to leave in the video link right there. Tap on the video link. They'll be able to watch and learn how you can buy SUI directly from your Bybit account. So guys, once you're able to buy SUI on your Bybit account, then you're good to go. Let me go ahead now to show you guys my SUI in my account, in my Bybit account. Let me tap on assets. Let me tap on this right away. Then let me tap on my UniFi trading account. Let me tap on this right there. You can see it there. So guys, can see my SUI right there. Let me scroll upward so you see it clearly. You can see that I have SUI in my Bybit account. I have 1.09800 SUI. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, there's something you need to know. As you can see here, this SUI is my UniFi trading account. You can see my UniFi trading account being encircled. This SUI is my UniFi trading account. For you to be able to deposit this SUI into your OKX wallet, you must first of all transfer this your SUI from your UniFi trading account to your funding account. So guys, that's very important. Once you buy your SUI from your Bybit account, it will be in your UniFi trading account, but you have to transfer it to your funding account for you to be able to deposit it and send it to your OKX wallet. So guys, let me go back now. Let me tap back. You can see here they have two accounts, funding account and UniFi trading account. So what I'll do now is to tap on UniFi trading account. So let me tap on it right away. Then let me look for my SUI right again. So guys can see my SUI right there. So what I'll do now is to tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, now you can see it has opened up. The next step you have to take now is to tap on transfer. You can see where it is written transfer. So let me tap on transfer. So guys, can see the transfer is from UniFi trading account to funding account. You can see it right there. So guys, that's the right one. But in case it is not that way, you can actually tap on this switch icon to switch it. Let me tap on it so you see it. So guys, now you can see it is now from funding account to UniFi trading account. But what we want is from UniFi trading account to our funding account. So let me change it back. So guys, now you can see it's back now to UniFi trading account to funding account. So guys, now the next step now is to actually confirm that the coin chosen is SUI. You can see that SUI is already chosen. You can see it right there. Then what you have to do now is to impute the amount of SUI that you want to transfer from your UniFi trading account to your funding account. You can tap on it, tap on where it is written, please enter. Let me tap on it, then you can go ahead to impute it. You can see it right there. I'm tapping on it. So guys, now, and also guys, you can actually tap on max. You can see where it is written max. Once you tap on max, the total SUI that you have in your Bybit account will appear there. So let me tap on max. So guys, now you can see the total amount of SUI that I have in my Bybit account. It is now reflecting there. So now after that, now what you have to do next is to tap on confirm. You can see where it is written confirm down there. So let me tap on it. Once I tap on confirm, now it will be transferred to my funding account. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. Let's just wait a few seconds. You can see it transferred successfully. You can see it right there at the top. So let me go back now. Let me go over to my funding account to see if it has appeared. So guys, now you can see my funding account has already increased in amount. The balance has increased. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the SUI has been transferred to my funding account. You can see the funding account is at the top. You can see it right there, and you can find the SUI right here now in my funding account. So guys, now the next step now you have to take now is to go over to the withdrawal option. You have to withdraw this SUI from your Bybit account and then transfer it to your OKX wallet. Let me show you guys how I can do it. So let me go back now to the home page. Let me go back to the home page. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the home page. The next step now you have to take is to tap on where you can see assets. You can see it right there. So let me tap on assets again. Then what you have to do next now is to tap on where you can see withdraw. So let me tap on withdraw. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So guys, there's something I need to tell you before I go ahead. If you've not used this withdrawal option on Bybit before, you'll be asked to link your Bybit account to an authenticator app. The authenticator app will be giving you codes that will be used to authenticate any withdrawal from your Bybit account. It's very easy. You just download the app from your Google Store or your Play Store and link it to your Bybit. It's very easy. It's an easy process. So guys, once you've done that, then the withdrawal option will be active. So guys, now you can see mine is active already. So guys, now you can see these are all the cryptocurrencies right there. So what you have to do now is actually to look for SUI. You can scroll through to look for SUI, but in case you're finding it hard to see it, you can use the search icon at the top. So let me tap on the search icon. Then let me go ahead now to type in SUI. So let me type it in SUI. Then let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. You can see SUI right there at the top. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, now what you have to do now is to tap on it. So guys, let me tap on it right away. So guys, this is the point we are going to be able to do our withdrawal. This is where we are going to be able to withdraw our SUI, then deposit it into our OKX wallet. So guys, now you can see where it is written coin. You can see the coin actually chosen is SUI. And the next one there is address. The address you need to input there is your SUI address. The SUI address you copied from your OKX wallet. So what you have to do is to go over to your OKX wallet and then copy your SUI wallet address. You have to copy the SUI address from your OKX wallet. You're going to your OKX wallet to copy your SUI deposit address because we're going to be depositing this SUI into your OKX wallet. So guys, let me go over to my OKX wallet now to copy my SUI deposit address. So let me minimize. Let me go over to my OKX wallet real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm on my OKX wallet. Here's the homepage of my OKX wallet. So what you have to do next now is to scroll up. So let me scroll upwards. So guys, now you can see crypto is already selected, so you have to make sure you tap on crypto. You can see it's right there. Then the next step you have to take now is to scroll through these cryptocurrencies right here to look for SUI. You can see I'm scrolling through them, but in case you can't find it here, what you have to do is to add SUI. And for you to add SUI right here, you can see I can't find SUI right here because it has not yet been added in this crypto page under this crypto section. So for you to add it, you have to tap on the menu icon on the right hand side. You can see it right there, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do right away now is to tap on the search icon at the top. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do right away is to type in SUI. So let me go ahead now to type in SUI, SUI. So guys, now you can see SUI right there at the top. You can see right there the arrow is pointing at it. You can see the logo. So what you have to do now to add it to that crypto section is to tap on the plus icon on the right hand side. You can see it right there. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now by doing that, you can see added. By doing that now, you've been able now to add this SUI crypto into that crypto section. So let me go back now to the crypto section real quick. So guys, now you can see we're back to the crypto section. Let me just refresh. Let me refresh this my home page. So guys, now you can see the home page has been refreshed. So let me scroll down. Let me go over to the crypto section now. Let me scroll through to find SUI. So guys, now I can now see SUI right there. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. So guys, what you have to do now is to tap on it to open it. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now this way you're going to be able to copy your SUI deposit address. You can see what's written there, my address. That's your SUI address. So guys, for you to copy it, you have to tap on copy. You can see where it is written copy. So let me go ahead now to tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see at the top, receiving address copied. So guys, now I've been able now to copy my SUI address on my OKX wallet. So what I will do now is to go back now to Bybit to paste it at that section. So let me go back now to Bybit. Let me minimize. Then let me open my Bybit real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm back to my Bybit account. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to paste that address I just copied from OKX now on this spot. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. And what I'll do now is to have a long press, then paste it real quick. So guys, now you can see I've pasted the SUI wallet address I copied from my OKX wallet. So now the next step now is to actually choose the network. And so it's written network. So let me tap on it right away. And what I'll do now is to choose SUI because SUI is the right network. So let me tap on SUI. So guys, now you can see SUI has been chosen as the network. So now the next step now is to actually input the amount of SUI that you want to deposit into your OKX wallet. You have to input the amount of SUI that you want to withdraw from your Bybit account. So guys, let me go ahead now to tap on it. So you can go ahead now to type in the amount of SUI that you want to withdraw and then deposit it to your OKX wallet. Or you can simply use the max. You can see where it is written max. Once you tap on max, the total SUI that you have in your Bybit account will appear there. So let me tap on max. So guys, now you can see the total amount of SUI that I have in my Bybit account has appeared there. So guys, now after you're done doing this now, what you have to do now is to tap on withdraw. So guys, before I tap on withdraw, you can see there is a withdrawal fee, and the withdrawal fee is 0.02, which is actually very small. So guys, now what I have to do now is to tap on withdraw. So let me tap on withdraw right away. So guys, now you can see it's loading up. So guys, you can see here's the next step, security verification. So let me just tick this box. And then let me tap on confirm. You can see this is a brief summary of the transaction I'm about to carry out. So let me tap on confirm. So guys can see here's the security verification step. So what I have to do now is to input my email right there where the arrow is pointing, so a code can be sent to my email address. I need that code to actually authenticate this transaction, and also I'm going to be getting a code from my Google Authenticator app. Like I said earlier on, if you have not actually used this withdrawal option before, you'll be asked to link your Google Authenticator app to your Bybit account. This is the reason. So guys, now let me go ahead now to input my email address. Let me do this real quick. So guys, now you can see I've inputted my email address. So what I'll do now is to tap on get code. So let me tap on get code. So guys, now you can see it's loading. So in 59 seconds, in 60 seconds, I'll be able to get the code. Then also for my Google Authenticator app, what I will do now is to go over to my Google Authenticator app to get the code. So let me do that real quick. So guys, I've gotten the codes from my email and also from my Google Authenticator app. So let me tap on confirm. So guys, now you can see it's loading. Wow guys, can see submitted successfully, withdrawal application submitted, in process. Please head to the asset page to check the status. So let me tap on OK. And let me tap on not now. So let me go back now. So guys, now you can see I'm back to the asset page. You can see you have one withdrawal request being processed. So let me tap on it now to see it. So guys, now you can see the withdrawal has been completed. You can see it. You can see it right there. The arrow is pointing at it. That's the transaction. So let me go back now. So what I'll do now is to go over to my OKX wallet to see if the SUI has appeared there, if it's already reflecting. So let me go back now. So let me go over to my OKX wallet. It might take some seconds or minutes for it to start reflecting on my OKX wallet, but it shouldn't take long. So let me go over to my OKX wallet real quick. So guys, now you can see I'm back to my OKX wallet. Here's the home page. So let me scroll upward now. Let me go over to the crypto section. So guys can see the crypto is already selected. So guys, now you can see now under the crypto, you can see SUI right there. You can see my balance has increased. You can see my balance was 0, but now that transaction I carried out on my Bybit, it is now reflecting. This will show that the SUI has been deposited into my OKX wallet. You can see it. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to deposit your SUI into your OKX wallet from your Bybit account. Let me go over to the transaction history so you can see it. Let me tap on transaction history so you can see that the deposit was actually successful. So guys, now you can see received. You can see it right there. You can see it. You can see where the arrow is pointing. I received 1.0789 SUI just now. So guys, now this I can be able to actually transfer or deposit SUI into your OKX wallet from your Bybit. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye. Peace.